Well, to me, Home Loving stands for our values, really. It's an effective product. It's a simple range, so it's really, everything about it is simple and simplicity. It is also a product that is protecting your home. It's going to protect your family. It's also safe to use around your pets. It's protecting the planet. It's a fantastic range that stands for all of the principles that many of us are trying to work towards today. Our key feature, and something that we're really proud of and has taken an awful lot of time to instigate, is the refillable side, because these are plastic bottles, but we have found that actually plastic is still one of the best products out there to carry these kind of ingredients. Glass we had looked at, but glass itself actually has a greater carbon footprint than plastic. So in its form, if it's reusable, it is the best product we could find.